So here if I consider cut set 1, then how many branches are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is in the same direction. Direction of this is in the same direction. So D and A are in the same direction, but B in opposite direction. So cut set 1, D in the same direction, A in the same direction, B in the opposite direction. Remaining branches are not incident upon this cut set 1. Cut set 1 is associated with twig D. Okay, so corresponding to this twig D, there will always be a +1 element. Similarly, here this branch positive, E positive, +1, E +1, C +1, B -1. So here E +1, in case of C2, E +1, B -1, okay. E +1, B -1, C +1, E, B, C. E, B, C. This is not correct actually. This should be +1, B +1. So B is, sorry, B -1. C should be +1. This should be +1. Okay, this is coming out and coming out from this cut set like this. So C and E both are plus, B minus. C and E plus and B minus. So this is correct, incorrect. Actually, which one is incorrect? C and E +1, B -1. C and E +1. So this is incorrect. It should be +1. In case of C3, so here also this should also be +1. Okay, so in C3, F and A +1, C -1. F and A +1, C -1, remaining are zeros. So like this. Then fundamental tie-set matrix. Tie-set means loop. A loop is formed when we consider any link along with twigs. Then a loop will be formed. For example, if we consider this tree, and if I consider along with this tree, in case of a tree there is no closed path. So if I consider this particular link along with this tree, then a closed path will be formed. Suppose this is our tie set 1 associated with link, this link. So L1 is this loop or tie set, and if I consider this, then this closed path will be formed. If I consider this, then this closed path will be formed. So in tie set matrix also we have tie sets here. Rows are corresponding to tie sets, and again the same thing, nodes are corresponding to our branches. Sorry, columns are corresponding to our branches. So branch number 1, so L1. So L1 is, our loop 1 is corresponding to branch 2, 5 and 1. So this is the orientation. Why this is the orientation? Orientation is always associated with the orientation of the link. So this link is in this direction, so whole orientation will be in this direction. Okay, so this orientation will be clockwise. So the orientation of this, all of them are clockwise. So 2, 1 and 5. 2, 1 and 5 all will be 1. So here corresponding to this 3, 4, same orientation, but this is different orientation. So 3 and 4 plus 1 and 2 is minus 1. So 3, okay, this is actually B and I have corrected it. Let us 3 and 4 plus 1 and 2 is minus 1. And now for this, if I consider this, then this 6, this is actually 6. 6, 1 and 3. 6, 1 and 3, all plus 1. 6, 1 and 3. Remaining are zeros. So this is, here what will be the size? Number of tie sets by number of branches. Number of branches B. Number of branches B. And how many tie sets are there? We have already discussed. B minus N plus 1. B is total number of branches. N is total number of nodes in a given graph. Okay. So this is all about the matrices associated with our network graphs. So 4 matrices we have discussed. A, B, C and A augmented. Thank you.